The first step to begin simplifying is to recognize each term and see if we can add like terms in either case. So let's start with number 1 first. We have two cases here at number 1. We have case 1, which is 3i minus 2, and case 2, 3 minus 2i. In the term 3i minus 2, there exists no like terms, since 3 is a multiple of I, and 2 lacks an I. And in the case 3 minus 2i, there exists no like terms as well. So now we recognize, since the operation connecting these two terms is addition, let's combine, then add our like terms together. This is done by addition. That's our operation. So let's add like this: 3i plus a negative 2i and negative 2 plus 3i. This can be rewritten as 3i minus 2i. Your operation stays the same, addition in the middle, or in between the two expressions. Left without our non-I terms are negative 2 plus 3. From here, it's simple addition or subtraction. Here on this term right here, we are left with just I, and negative 2 plus 3 is 1. So that's the simplification of number 1. Just like the previous case in number 2, let's analyze each term, see if we can simplify each term before trying to simplify the entire expression. Since we notice that this problem has two cases just like the previous one, let's denote each case. Our first case is 5i plus 3, and our second case is I plus 1. We can now add like terms within our expression, so let's gather our like terms together, since we recognize that case 1, 5i plus 3, has no like terms, and case 2, I plus 1, has no like terms. So we will use the operation of a subtraction in this case, and we will subtract 5i from I and 3 from 1. So let's rewrite this now by grouping our terms. We're left with 5i minus I plus 3 minus 1. If you were confused why our operation here is addition now, over here I will show you why. If you have 5i plus 3, you can distribute the negative here in this fashion to each term, which leave with a positive. So this term will stay the same, 5i plus 3, and now we're going to have a negative I minus 1, which looks a lot like problem 1. So moving back to our simplified expression, we are left with 4i plus 2, and that is your simplified version. Thank you for listening, and I really encourage any of the listeners to view the rest of the problems online.